Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create column chart for monthly sale. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a monthly sales detail. So here I'm going to create chart. Okay, so simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse, and to create column chart, go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the first column charts option. In 2D column, select the first column charts, and you can see your chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Drag the corner point to increase the size of the column chart, and you can see the size is increasing. You can see in the column chart in horizontal showing the month and in vertical showing the sales amounts. So here the column is created as per the month and the sales amount. Okay. If you change here any sales amount, suppose I enter here in March, 10,000 is mentioned. So I enter here 30,000 and see the changes in March column. So when I enter here 30,000, see the changes in March column. So this is a way if you want to edit any sales amount, you can edit here and column chart change accordingly. Okay. If you filter something sales amount, suppose I filter, apply here filter in data, shift control L and apply the filter. And I'm going to filter some month. Suppose I'm going to filter some March and May data and click on OK. So here you can see I filtered the May and March month, and same as per the filters data, the column chart also changed. So you can compare the 2 month also, 2, 3 months also in your column chart. So you can compare here, see the May and March. The March sales is as down as compared the May. Okay. So this is the helpful in sales data. So I just remove the filter, shift control Alt and remove the filter, see the whole column chart here. And if you want to sort the column, you can sort here. The month column you can see start from the May, March, June. Same as column chart also showing May, March, June. If you want to January, February and March, April, the month is starting from end. So you can sort this data. So simply apply the filter on your data. Shift Control L to apply the filter. Then click on this drop down arrow. Then click on the sort by color. Then click on the custom sort, and you can see the sort dialog box is open. In sort by, just click on the drop down arrow and select the month. Okay. In sort on sales values and others, just click on this drop down arrow and click on the custom list. In custom list dialog box, select the custom list to, I select this list January, February, March, and after that click on OK. And here click on OK. After the click on OK, see the changes in the month column. I just click on OK. See here January, February, March, April, May, June. Same as in the column chart also sort the data. Okay, that's it. And if you want more changes in your chart design, you just simply select the chart and go to the chart design. And here you can see you can change the chart style. So just click on this drop down arrow and keep cursor on the every chart style. Okay. And you can see the changes in your column chart. The different chart style is showing. Just simply click on to apply the chart style. Okay. After that, if you want to change the layout, just go to the again chart design. In chart layout group, click on the quick layout option. Here different layout option is available. Just keep cursor and see the layout is showing here. See the layout here, the below in a horizontal showing the full table of your data also. Okay. Okay. And if you want to move these charts in another sheet, simply add here the new sheet. Okay. Click on the charts and go to the chart design. In location group, click on the move charts option, and here you can see the move chart dialog box is open. Choose where you want the chart to be placed. So there are two options. New sheets is automatically create the new sheets. In objective, you can select here drop down arrow and you can see the sheet number 2 is showing. Select the sheet number 2 to move the chart in sheet number 2 and click on OK. Now you can see in sheet number 2 is chart showing. In sheet number 1, only data is showing. Okay. So this is a way you can move chart your in another sheet. You can create the new sheets also. And if you want to change the chart type, simply click on go to the chart design. In type group, click on the change chart type. Here you can see the all chart types is available. You select simply those you want. So I simply select here the bar chart. So you can select any bar chart here. And after that, just click on OK. And here you can see your chart type is changed. So this is a way you can create column chart for monthly sales So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.